Hey, welcome back everybody. Sign here again with episode 13 of Antimatter Chemistry. And we're heading to my hole that I actually haven't been to in quite a while. Turns out I didn't need as much of the antimatter as I thought once I started getting everything rolling. But figured this would be about as good a place as any to set up a wither fight. Which I managed to finally. I got the 4 skulls I needed. Keeping count, it took about 70 wither skeletons. And yeah. I also have the data model though, that it is currently in my simulation paper. So. Hey, do you mind? Hey, come on here. Keep flying like through my head. Now you're dead. See what happens? Alright. Loot crate. Very nice. Yes. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, food. So that's pretty much what I've done between episodes, actually, was just make it so I can get my first flippin' nether star. Took long enough. It really did. Luminous Arbor. I mean, I claimed the chunks around here, but I didn't name it Luminous Arbor. So I'm curious where that name came from. Here. Have some sugar cane. So, nether stars are possibly be made. I need lutetium, hydrogen, a lot of hydrogen actually. Dysprosium, mendelevium, titanium, and rhodium. Yes, now rhodium comes from fission multi-block, so it'll be a little bit before I can make that. But I do have another star, which is surprisingly not a quest. However, the Ender Dragon data model was. And I actually get to choose a reward out of all of this. And this is what is in the rare loot crates, by the way. Mending moss would be nice, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. Player chest I can make with the upgrades. Psilocybin, I can make a lot of that. Honestly, it's going to be the growth crystal. Because these things actually require 2 nether stars each to make. Unfortunately, I cannot decompose them to get the ingredients for said nether star. That should help a little bit. Not like the system actually needs a lot of help. I'm still running at a surplus. So, kind of is what it is. Now, nether stars. I could make an end crystal. Pass. Beacon. Magical snow globe. That's actually kind of tempting, but I don't know if there's any other things around. Any other biomes, that's the word. Everything I've seen so far in this dimension is a plains biome. Crystal matrix ingot, like half of their fusion core from alchemistry. With their data model, that's probably what I'm going to do with this. Dark nether star is also a thing. Wither builder. That might be a good first shot, honestly. Okay. System energy levels critical. Really? Oh, because you're up there, you're actually pulling straight from these guys, not the main power. Gotcha. Okay, here. You come here. Yes, I know. Oh, damn. Frick. Alright, yep. There. So one thing I could do is set that to orange, right? And then plot that. And now it'll fill up without a problem. You can have that and do your thing. I am getting hellish matter. Besides experience, I can get gas tier, gold, netherwort, blaze rod, blaze powder, soul sand, and extraterrestrial, which I can then do chorus fruit, ender pearl, or end stone. But I don't see spawner modification. Really. Ignore spawn cap. Is there a way to pick these things up? Because there's no spawners in this dimension. Right. Only 11% chance of pristine off an advanced. Excuse me. And I need to run it 37 more times to get it to the next tier up. But that beats going back to the nether and trying to hunt up wither skeletons. Because that's, yeah, a thing. I'll tell you, we're just going to put that there for now. We'll put our cobblestone back. I don't need it. And what is our next actual thing questbook-wise? See, the fission controller wouldn't be bad. I've got tough alloys. I can make the plating. Nuclear furnace requires basic plating and tough alloy as well, times 2 of those. Magnesium diboride requires 4 of the diborides, which is boron plus magnesium. So that's actually not terrible. Fission controller old to new. So that is definitely a thing, right? Now, how are we holding up here? Oh, good God. Well, this thing holds, what, 2 million in and of itself right now. And wither skeletons take 880 RF tick to run. Yeah, no, I'm killing my power system right now. Well, not really killing it. Yeah, I'm burning through hexane like crazy here. But it's just basically going max speed, so not much I can really do about that, honestly. The chemical reactor, though. I think this was probably about the next best place to go. Okay, I can do that. That sort of a mechanism. Yeah, I should be able to do all that, right? Did I ever? I did, okay. So, chem reactor. Oh, I'm in cheat mode again. Alright, yeah, deleting arrows and everything else from my mob farm is just, I can get rid of that and that. And probably that. It's a hassle. Because your trash can doesn't show up in your inventory. I miss the cork one that's over here. That is so very handy. I've got the glowstone. Got the glowstone. Alright, got a machine chassis. I'm going to, yeah. Figured I was going to need some copper solenoids. Let's just get a few of those. Electric motor. Servo mechanism. And I just need the advanced plating, which is going to require 4 of these. I'm kind of low on cadmium here. And then, tough alloy. That's why I was doing this up here. Now I have to make ferroboron. And boron. I do have ferroboron made up. Some, anyway. Go ahead and make a stack of it here. Oh, look at you. Row the Wither. I can use that to make the Wither set, but honestly, resistance, fire resistance, and strength. Yeah. Tons of durability though, and it's actually got really good armor to it. But I'm gonna do the skulls for now, I think. Because now I can actually make, if I want, a Wither Builder. Which is not a quest, but is something extremely useful. And how about a like a mob crusher? Those seem to work. I've used those before to kill withers with, so All right. Need 2 books. Easy enough. I need some. Oh, blue indium. Yeah, 40 ingots. That'll work. I think we're good on indium now. Most likely scandium too at this rate. Okay, oh well. Go find out. Scandium was here. Lots more indium than scandium though. That's a bit on the strange side. Huh, only 28 ingots of scandium. Alright, so that's 4 more machine frames. So Crusher just needs the golden gears now. Which is this machine. Make sure the augment's in. Okay, good. So that'll let me set up a wither farm anyway. Based completely off of... Oh, sweet. Got some more. How many wither skeleton skulls I can get? Oh, there's 2 more. Which is probably a good thing. I don't have any extras. Are you 13 away? Okay. You are actually staying relatively full. Because this thing's almost drained out now. Okay. Sweet. Stop. It'll run this cycle through and then... Done. Okay. You can go in there. You can do that. And now I could get another star if I want. And honestly, instead of making this, I should have probably made the thing for this. Probably would have been a lot better idea. Because then this wither kill would have counted for 1 out of the 6 I need. Up against me, yes, I know. You're not doing anything, so waiting for this to fill back up a bit now, which it's a definite gain. So, all right, there's our gold gears. Right. Mob crusher. All right, so we have our mob crusher, we have our wither builder, and got this thing going. Got this over here. Oh, hey, look at you. Another milk. Okay. Oh, yeah, I need to like empty all this out, I think. How much of this white concrete do I have now? 3,700. 4,500. And we'll just start doing stuff from the bottom of it. This, all that goes over here, except for oxygen. Ah, so much oxygen. 36,000 in there. Alright, so that helps a bit. I don't have any hydrogen in here, do I? know? Okay. One thing would be nice if actually it came out of the loot crates. Only 2 of you have grown. Okay. How is this doing besides? You're doing excellent, actually. I just emptied it right before. Oh, that's right. I can't even do that. Right before the episode started, so. You'll be good for a while, I think. Now, how are you doing? I do have a mob crusher right here. 160,000 out of 4 million? That's not terrible. Alright, so I don't want to set this up around here, that's for certain. I do want a bit of a test, though, to make sure this will work. Because, okay, we're in claim chunks, right? Yes, all of this is all claimed. So, one thing I haven't checked, actually, pretty sure claim chunks are blast proof. Yeah, okay, they are. Good. It made a crunchy noise, though. Why did it make the block breaking crunchy noise? Oh my, yes. Okay. Well, that's a thing. This is why we experiment, folks. Alright. So do I want to kill actual withers with a grinder? Or do I want to kill them with the simulation chamber? The thought here. Because the simulation chamber takes 2048 RF tick just to run. This one takes only 256. I mean, it's a bit of a difference there. I'm not sure what the dragon takes, though. Probably 2048? 2050, 2560. Okay then, yeah. Let's see. There we go. Cracked limestone. Yeah, it almost got loose, so that means if I do this method, I need a lot of reinforced obsidian, which is just iron bars and obsidian. It's honestly not bad. Ow. The lava's a bit interesting to get my hands on right now, but it's really not terrible. I think the growth crystal's helping. I haven't really watched it enough to notice, though. Oh, yeah, I need my drops. Yeah, you... And it looks like... Loot crate. So... Yeah, am I going to bother with that? Alright, you go into making... Oh, also Dimension Builder. Darium, Emerald. That's not terrible, actually. It's very doable. Another star generator, though, requires redstone and yttrium singularities to be put together. Oh, cool. There's a nitro recipe. Hello, Opinium cores. Alright. Watering can. I need them for wyvern cores. There's the wither builder. There's this guy. And there's this, which makes pristine wither matter. Just 1-to-1 nether stars. Might be better off just doing these guys. How are we doing over here? 1.8 million so far. It's not terrible. Tell you what, here. Let's run it once. Are you done yet? You're getting there. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the Forbidden Arcana Dark Star, right? I am kind of curious to see what all this is about. Alright, I need some more of you then. Or can go into here. Which honestly doesn't take all that long, even though it's based here. So Alright, and the future is obsidian. So what all can I make with this now? Obsidian skull, gives you fire resistance 1. Sword, shovel, shoulder pads, which I use to make the Draco Arcanus chest plate. Or I can wear them as is. Really now. Don't think we have to worry about radiation in this pack. That's something I just thought about. There's the staff, shovel, which the staff is used to make the different things. Scepter, pickaxe, armor, there's a hoe. Okay, yep, we're going to go ahead and make ourselves a dark nether star. And, hey, look at that spiffiness. I don't know if I can get it back out, though. Be nice if I could. So, rune, right? I've only got 8 of these things? Ow. 2 at a time makes dark runes, which I can now use to make different things, like dark runic glass, or runic battle axe, or the mystical dagger, which is what you use to get dragon scales. Which you can make all sorts of fun nifty things with, including aquatics. You can make the tier armor with that. I have no idea what that's about either. It looks like the Curse Forge page that has been updated to actually have a wiki now, so. Draco Arcanus axe. Silver dragon scales go into Sacred Scepter or the Obsidian Skull Shield. Okay, gives you fire resist 1 and resistance 1. And hey, pixie in a bottle, right? Golden goes into the tier stuff, or the arcane dragon egg, which I can craft back into a dragon egg. Okay, no idea though. Some of it I do know is just purely decorative. The skull, support bone blocks, is not a problem. Edelwood sticks. Edelwood's not actually terrible to get. Alright, yeah. Here, give me like, yeah, 16 will work. Okay, you're done for now. Do that. Limestone, cracked, sure, whatever. Hey, souls. Yes, this is also a thing you can do, including making pixies. Or you can make dark souls if you get some corrupty dust. Dust. Alright. But you can use that basically just to make dark souls, which you can make corrupt pixies with. But, can I make a pixie? I can make a pixie. Let's see. Bidden, I need a bottle block. And you can sit there, and here you go. And I think it mainly provides light. There's something you can do with it to get some sort of positive effect, but I don't know. You can do the same with the dark pixie too, so. Oh, wow. That lucked out. Ran one through and it gave me exactly what I was hoping for. Where are you at? 10 more to go. Okay. And then my pristine chance will go up, which will greatly help. Yeah, pristine failed. Okay. But wither skeletons. So yes, I need to do a few things here. Honestly, I need to go mining. That's what I really need to do. So, builder is pretty basic, right? Except for the need for clay. Oh, clay. Why? I have no clay. In any way, shape, or form. Right, so that's out for a while. Honestly, I just don't feel like making clay right now. Also, souls. You are now 6 more to go. Click on you. 2.1. Okay, so was that 5? Took like 600,000, really. It's not terrible, mind you. Okay, now I need lithium for this. So just give me like that, I guess, and we'll keep that around. All right. So, but I think I'm going to go ahead and call it an episode. It's going to be actually quite a bit shorter than my usual ones. But I need to actually get to cracking on a few things, really. A lot of stuff, actually. On a lot of stuff. Definitely need a better source of power for now. So it's time to get into that, I think. Of alloys. What was I making anyway? Oh, the chem reactor, that's right. This quest is optional. Alright, well, chem reactors, though. I mean, they can make pretty much... If you want to get into more Nuclearcraft, it is very required. Isotope separator goes to fission multi-block. Why? Oh, because the isotope separator is actually part of the fission multi-block. Fission casings require magnesium and barium. Oh, that's easy enough to do. Okay. I need 98 of those. Yeah, I'm thinking, let's go look at our barium. It is here. 487. And actually here, no, not uses, recipes. On purple, so it's magenta dye. Okay. Barium sulfate, which comes from gray. Nether quartz. Cyan, antimatter, alabaster. So yeah. I need to actually go just concentrate on doing a bunch of mining. And there we go. Well, you are caught up. You are now superior. 24% chance of pristine. You are at 1.2, so you're going to have to wait a while to charge up. But I should start getting more wither skeleton skulls, which is honestly really kind of sort of important. Just a little bit. But thank you for coming out. I hope you're enjoying this series, and until the next one, Signing out. Have fun.